Hi everyone, so today we'll be making this little clothespin fuzzy bug. We did a dragonfly, but this is just a bug, and it uses different stuff. The other one uses a paint marker or just any marker, but this one doesn't use it. It only uses a marker for eyes, and you could technically skip that if you really didn't care, and also give it a mouth. It doesn't like open or anything because pipe cleaner wrapped around it and stuff, but yeah. What you're gonna need is a clothespin, marker, optional, scissors, sort of optional, but not really. And then you're going to need a white pipe cleaner, but I'm going to be using this half that I used from the other one, because why cut another one. And then you're going to need 2 pipe cleaners of different colors or whatever, because see how I did pink and purple on this one. The next one I'm going to make is going to be green and blue. You could get more colors, whatever. You can do whatever you want. I'm just doing 2 colors, that's what I like. What you're first going to need to do, take this, fold it in half. What is with the lighting and the colors? I don't know. What's the blue pipe cleaner? Okay. And then you want to just cut it. So this is why it's not optional, really. Like, you could just wrap it around and not cut the pipe cleaners, but this makes it look the way mine looks. And then this one you fold it in half too. And then you cut it. So there. And then this is also the place where you would fold a white one in half and cut it. But I'm just going to use the half that I had from the other bug, which is where you're going to take this first part. You need to do this part first, because you open it up and put the wings in, so that's why. And this one doesn't open out. The other parts around it, so you got to put the wings on first. So you got to take it and you're going to fold it, get the ends together, twist it so that they're like connected in like a circle like this, and squish that together like that into the centers together like that, and then twist it so that it's like connected. And then open up the pipe cleaner and squish it down in there like that. And then just close it and get your clothespin lined up so it stays. And then you can leave the wing like this for now. And then we can squish them back more once we have the pipe cleaner wrap. It's just, if they're out, it's easier to wrap once you get to that step. Which now, you can decide which color you want to do first. I'm going to do green. I like green at the front, so now I start at the back, because the way I do it. So I have face up here, so I'm going to do, I have the wrong one, I want blue. Do whatever color you want. You want to take it and just hold it right here, and just wrap it around the whole thing. And once you feel it's secure, you can let go of that part. And then you just wrap it until it stays, and then if it's like that, you just tuck that inside, like that. It's not most secure, obviously, because it's like fall off, but it'll mostly stay. And if it's just, if you're not like playing with it or anything, or moving it around, you just like set it on a shelf, it'll stay. Then you want to do green. You can just either just like stick it, or you can like stick it inside like the last one, because then the end is on the inside. It starts there, and it's easier to get it to stay in place. And just gotta get it to stay. And then this part, I will shove inside as well. This end part. And so you can just do this part first before you draw the face on, because then you can decide which side you like better, and that's the side you draw the face on. Because it might end up being wrapped differently depending on how it starts and stuff, so you don't want to draw the face first. You could, but this is how I like to do it. And this one I want to start it right here. I can't go inside anymore. Wrap it up through like this, and then I'm going to shove it down through the wing, back up through the other wing, and then wrap it down in front of the wing like this. And then just bend it right there. And then now we can again stick it inside, because we're back where we have a place where we can get inside again. And then we take the last one, which for me is green, and you can stick it inside this time, and just wrap it around. And again, you can wedge it inside if you can get it to open a little bit. Like that. And there. Now you can just decide which side you like better. I like this side, so that's how I'm going to put my face on. You put with your marker. You can just do 2 little dots for eyes and call it done, but I have an odd thing where I like to give them a little like mouth too, because I'm weird. And then boom, you're done. Close the marker so I don't get marker everywhere. So there, 2 little fuzzy bugs. And then you can either leave the wing like this, or you can bend them back more. They're not centered, but That's how I did it for this one. Makes them kind of like flies in a way. I'm not really sure what bugs these are. They're just bugs. So yeah, here's some fuzzy bugs. If you like pipe cleaner crafts with clothespins, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any ideas. I'm willing to try them. And subscribe. Bye!